Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Marie's here, and in today's video I'm going to show you one of the best vocal exercises to sing without tension. It's called bubble phonation. It helps your voice reset and get ready to sing. It's a super easy, gentle vocal warm-up exercise for beginners. So before we start, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. All you need is a straw, a glass of water, and that's it. You ready? Let's dive in. Place the straw between your lips and blow air through the straw. We want small bubbles. You don't need to make a sound. Take a breath. Exhale. It reduces pressure on your vocal folds, so you don't have to push or force the sound. Keep going for 10 seconds. Here we go. Inhale, exhale. Let's do it one more time. One more time. Let's try 20 seconds. If it's too difficult, you can stop at 15 seconds. Choose a pitch, not too high, not too low, and blow bubbles. Inhale, exhale. You can change the pitch. You don't need to sing loud, okay? You don't need volume. You need to control your airflow. Let's do vocal sirens. We're gonna slide from your chest voice to your head voice. If you place your straw here, it's easier. Don't forget that the water creates resistance. So if you place your straw here, it's more difficult. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vocal exercises like this. Thank you. I'm gonna play some notes on the piano and you practice. Take a look to your bubbles. Inhale, exhale, bubble. Nice. Very good. Keep going. Keep it up. Two more. Last one. For the next exercise, two options here. You can do the bubbles phonation, or you can do only the straw. Inhale, exhale. Nice work. Keep going. Two more. Last one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you love this video, give it a like. It really helps my channel. Share with a friend, and see you next time. Bye bye.